Imagine sipping on a golden elixir that not only warms your soul, but also supercharges your health. Today, we're uncovering the amazing benefits of turmeric milk, a traditional drink that's gaining popularity for its powerful health properties. Get ready to discover how this simple beverage can transform your well-being and elevate your health to new heights. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more health tips and wellness advice. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk or haldi doodh, has been cherished in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. This delightful drink combines the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric with the creamy goodness of milk, creating a potent health tonic. In this video, we'll explore how turmeric milk can boost your immunity, improve digestion, enhance skin health, promote better sleep, support joint health, and much more. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive into the world of turmeric milk. 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. First up, turmeric milk is packed with the powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Curcumin works by inhibiting inflammatory pathways and reducing the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. A warm cup of turmeric milk can be a soothing way to support your body's natural defenses, especially after a long day. 2. Boosts immunity. Next, turmeric milk can significantly boost your immune system. The combination of turmeric and milk creates a potent immune-boosting beverage. Turmeric enhances the activity of immune cells, specifically T cells and macrophages, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Additionally, the fat content in milk aids in the absorption of curcumin, maximizing its benefits. This is particularly important during cold and flu season, as maintaining a strong immune response is vital for preventing illness. Enjoying a glass of turmeric milk regularly can be a delicious way to fortify your body's defenses and keep illness at bay. 3. Aids digestion. Another remarkable benefit is that turmeric milk can aid digestion. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to promote digestive health. It stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients efficiently. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while suppressing harmful bacteria. This balance is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Drinking it regularly can ensure your digestive system runs smoothly, making meals more enjoyable and less uncomfortable. 4. Enhances skin health. Did you know that turmeric milk can also enhance your skin health? The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric can have a profound impact on your skin. Curcumin helps combat free radicals, reducing the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Its antibacterial properties can help treat acne and prevent breakouts, making turmeric milk an excellent addition to your beauty routine. For topical benefits, some people also apply a paste of turmeric and milk directly to the skin for an instant glow. 5. Promotes better sleep. Turmeric milk can also be your go-to drink for promoting better sleep. The warmth of the milk, combined with the calming effects of turmeric, creates a perfect bedtime beverage. Turmeric contains compounds that may help improve sleep quality by reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Drinking a cup of turmeric milk before bed can signal your body that it's time to wind down, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy a deeper, more restorative rest. Pair it with some light reading or meditation for the ultimate bedtime routine. 6. Supports joint health. Another fantastic benefit of turmeric milk is that it supports joint health. For those suffering from joint pain or conditions like arthritis, turmeric milk can provide significant relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin can help reduce swelling and discomfort in the joints. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications without the harmful side effects. Including turmeric milk in your diet can be a natural way to manage joint pain and maintain mobility, allowing you to stay active and enjoy your daily activities. 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Turmeric milk is also beneficial for balancing blood sugar levels. Turmeric has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. By helping your body use insulin more effectively, turmeric can prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. Incorporating turmeric milk into your daily routine can help maintain steady energy levels and support overall metabolic health. To wrap it up, the benefits of turmeric milk are truly incredible. Incorporating turmeric milk into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Whether you enjoy it warm or iced, turmeric milk is a delicious way to harness the benefits of this amazing spice. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and nutritional advice. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and why not treat yourself to a warm cup of turmeric milk today? Your body will thank you,